In college, I landed a dream opportunity. I was one of the very first remote interns for the US Department of State. That meant I was in my PJs in Tucson, Arizona doing research, sending it all the way back to Washington, D.C. I wrote an article about my experience, and it went viral. This program that started with just 10 students now scales to over 2,000 across 60 federal agencies in less than 5 years. I was so passionate about my experience that I helped design a software for the State Department to streamline remote internships. After a very successful pilot, I left my full-time job at State Department to pursue Symba. Today, Symba not only helps companies manage internships, but now think contractors, freelancers in the growing gig economy. Hello, everyone. My name is Ava Sadeghi, and I am the CEO and co-founder of Symba.
Hi, everyone. My name is Nikita Gupta, and I'm the CTO and co-founder. Work, as we know, is changing. Companies like Google, Facebook, and Apple are hiring more contractors than full-time employees. There are over 70 million contractors, and it is growing by 11% year over year. Researchers at Accenture state that the gig economy will comprise of over half the workforce by 2020 and as much as 80% by 2030. This market is super exciting, and it's only at its infancy, and we want Symba to be at its core.
However, there are many challenges in the way that companies are managing their contractors today. Currently, they're not tracking their performance. So with each hire, they're reinventing the wheel. At Fortune 500 companies, it takes on average 2 weeks to bring a contractor in-house. And they're spending thousands, nearly $8,000 on average to bring a contractor up to speed. This is because the process is highly decentralized and it's not scalable.
So to solve this problem, we listened to our customers and we built Symba. Symba is a web-based application with 4 main features: training to curate a seamless welcome for the contractors, project management so that all of the workflow is in one place, engagement to foster positive and collaborative working relationships, and last but definitely not the least, performance feedback, which is our killer feature. Like never before, contractors can gather feedback post-projects and curate portfolios that they can carry with them from company to company. And now companies can make better, smarter hiring decisions.
We've identified multiple types of roles in the short-term workforce. This is an exciting market at $1.2 trillion today, expected to double to $2.5 trillion in the next decade. What makes our approach so visionary is that we've identified interns, a market of $35 billion. Interns, you might ask? Well, interns are the future of work. They're short-term and often a pain to manage.
People love Symba, and this is just one use case. Digital Guardian, a cybersecurity firm, used us, and they said that it was so simple and so easy to use. And the interns there were logging onto Symba 5 to 7 times a day. Symba is helping companies save about $2,000 when managing them through Symba to overall create a better experience.
We are proud to be an all-female founded team. We've done over 25 gigs together. We are the future of work. We have a pulse on it, and we've been backed by leaders and advisors in the field like ex-VP of SAP and VP of Talent Acquisition from Target. We're live with customers today and in the hands of hundreds of users who love us. We have an exciting pipeline of over 200 customers with some pretty big names like Target, LinkedIn, General Mills, NetApp, just to name a few. We've received quite a few awards and recognition from the media, but what's more important is that our customers and users love us. Symba is taking a fundamentally different approach to the gig economy. We empower contractors to build a portfolio as they travel from company to company working on different projects that is vetted. Companies can now use those insights to make better hiring decisions, and all of this is driven by the contractor. We are creating
symbiotic
relationships in the gig economy.
Thank you.